Guys, so we found the bird.
We found you.
We
Now
found
you
the
gotta come
feather
down a
for
little
the
bit.
parrot.
She can't get through all these branches. There's no way.
We need to have like an
Why can't
extended.
Here, you can have the
If
feather.
you're on top of the,
can
like
have
the other
that.
house and tried to call her.
Let's get on top of a roof.
But she's not on the very top. She's up there.
Honestly, fire department.
They won't.
They won't do it.
They won't do that.
You don't think so?
Look at my feet right now.
They do it for cats, right?
No, that's not enough.
Oh.
Well, we know where she's at. I don't think she's gonna go anywhere. She hasn't left since she flew out here. So we need to come up with a game plan. We know when you rock climbers.
I've got rock climbing shoes.
Like if you knew some friends that are rock climbers, they'd be all about like throwing
Shimmying
up
up
the
that
line.
tree.
And then
She's up there. We see her.
I think no, that you know how high up that is?
Yeah, it's scary.
That's way too high, dude. That's 100 and something feet.
I see her.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I know exactly where she's at now.
Well, at least it's an easy tree to remember.
Yeah.
But if it started sprinkling over by the cabin.
But
Yeah,
she
it
doesn't
did.
know how to fly downwards. That's what I'm thinking. If because the cabin's over there, not ours, but the
Moosehead.
yeah, dam house. Maybe if she could see you, like she would come.
We see you. She's up in this tree, this triple tree right here.
Yeah, we found her.
This triple tree, she's up
You gotta be brave, Hannah.
You can see her from right here.
Let me see.
Was that Shauna then?
Where?
Take
Yes.
a couple branches down at a time. Come
Where?
on.
Where? I was here.
You see her moving right there?
There's some cool water shoes.
$10.
Where are they from?
You see her right there, Keegan? She's
No.
moving.
Here, point your hand like right
I have a
here.
perfect view of her tail from right here. I can see it straight red.
Yeah, there's some leaves up
Can you, on your phone, can you mark?
Oh yeah, that's
Can you mark a spot on your map, like where you're standing right now?
Yeah.
So then when we go to the other side, if we were to get on top of the dam house, you could like
Yeah.
pinpoint where you're at, you know?
Yeah, I can set a favorite.
Where? I don't see it. I
It's a
don't.
bunch of like 21-year-old couples though.
So
No,
they're
they
gone,
left.
it looks like
They
now.
left.
They left?
Yeah.
And a 21-year-old couples would be all about people trying to find a parrot.
I don't see it.
Hannah.
I don't see it.
Come on, Hannah.
If you don't know how to climb down, just climb down. I don't see it.
She's gonna like die at some point.
Yeah, if we don't get her, she hasn't eaten and had water in over like 24 hours.
Not 24 hours.
Okay.
Well, you gotta also think
Yeah,
that
she's pretty far though. from that.
animals are.
Animals
Very-
have the
From
the dam
survival.
house.
Yeah.
They
I
have
don't
the
think she'll be able
survival.
to see us.
What?
But she's not. It's not too far from the dam house, but I don't know if she'll be able to see us.
Hannah. Okay.
Well, you could definitely
Did you
hear
tell
her
Mom that
pretty
Shauna
well.
and them are there?
No,
Why not?
she's fine.
You just said, "Hey, we're looking for the bird."
And I said my mom's inside the house. She has a bad headache.
Here, I'm just gonna go back because my feet are bleeding and my hands are bleeding.
Okay, don't take any bikes. No, they three have bikes.
You need like a huge cherry picker. I don't even know that they go that high.
$2,500 bird.
I'm trying to think.
This is really serious. I'm gonna end the video here. I will keep you updated. I'll tell you what we do next. But for now, I'm just gonna end it. I'll see you.